What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2015 Yamaha Stryker. Great looking bike, guys. A decent amount of modifications here. Looks like we got an air cleaner. Looks like we got some really short slash pipes on there. We got some ape hangers. Let's check this bike out, guys. It's a really nice bike, actually. It's got the relocation of the oh my words, of the license plate right there. It looks like there's some, like, so we can get that. It looks like there's some, like, discoloring, or not discoloring. It looks like there's just like a scratch. I don't know if that would come out. It looks like just like a blob on this matte black. I don't know how to describe it. It's right there as well. I think we got a couple little pieces of scuffs right there. Scuff right there. This side of the tank looks pretty darn good. I'm pretty sure this matte black is the original color. Yeah, it's definitely the original color. These controls, pretty sure they're always forward on these. Looks like he's got, I don't know if these are the original turn signals. They might be, I could be wrong, but they look pretty small to be the original turn signals. So we got some apes, don't know what kind of bars those are. Front fender's in pretty good shape. These things are kind of raked out. It's a weird setup, because I think stylistically, like, drag bars would look better on this, in my personal opinion. But, you know, because it's a little raked out. But I mean, hey, apes work. Got tons of tread left on those. Obviously, it's a 2015, lower mileage. That's the bar. That's the pipes. Looks like we got a big old breather there. This side of the tank looks pretty good. Maybe a little blemish. I don't know if you can see. Like right there. It's kind of like one. Most of these matte bikes, you got to give a real good, like, you got to get like some, not conditioner, but you got to get like some of the, like the wax and stuff like that. And try not to leave it outside, just because it starts to fade that paint. So sometimes you can get it out if you can not condition. 5,960 miles if you treat the paint right. Fires up right away. Great sounding bike, guys. Fires up right away. It does have a little rip here in the wrap. I like that gold wrap, actually. Some people don't like it. I don't mind it. Like I said, 5,000. Whoa, sorry, I'm using the different camera here. Sean has my camera. 5,960 miles. I don't know if these are the original grips or not. You can tell me. You probably know more about these bikes. Looks like controls are a little bit like moved up when they were put on this, so it's kind of at like a weird angle. But all in all, though, it's a pretty nice bike, guys. Like I said, 2015 Yamaha Stryker. Tires are in good shape. It's got the pipes, it's got the air cleaner, it's got the apes. It's a nice bike. I'm sure this won't last long. People love these bikes. They're good, solid bikes. I'm a big fan of this look. But thanks a ton for watching, guys, and have a good one.